Let's make Finnish fried fish, paistetut silakat. First let's prepare a cold creamy sauce. I add here a little bit of creme fraiche, a little bit of quark, or I can use yogurt, a few teaspoons of cream, and then some spices. I have there honey, lemon, salt, pepper, chives, and that's kind of it. You could put also garlic there, that goes nicely. Just a little taste test first, and I put it to the fridge while I prepare the fish for frying. Of course I don't have here, as I'm not in Finland, I don't have the Baltic herring here, but I have something similar or a little bit smaller, so small fish is fine for this dish. So these are small and soft ones. I just take away the head and cut the fish and clean, of course, any insides that might be there, and clean it with water, and that's about it. Just measuring here how much I have those. It's a good idea to a little bit take away the moisture of the fish so that it will be not watery before we are making coating. I have here rye flour. This is approximately 1 cup, because this is what I have. There is a quarter cup measurement. I just used the rest of the bag there. It's not so precise. And then I add about similar amount of breadcrumbs, and I mix them together, and I add salt to taste. I have there maybe a half a teaspoon of salt, and a bit less than a teaspoon of white pepper, ground white pepper. Then mixing it, and then adding this as a coating on top of the fish, and put these to wait for frying. Of course you can do this bit by bit, so that you don't need to put them to wait anything. Depends on how many frying pans you have. So then frying, of course, in butter, plenty of butter, because when you turn them around, you will notice that if they are dry, it's not going to be a nice result. So use plenty of good butter to fry the fish. Oh, you can see already the golden crusts. Nice color there, and that's how we like it. So it takes just a few minutes to fry the fish from each side. I have also prepared potato mash, of course, to go with these, and it will be nice with the creamy sauce I have. Bon appetit!